Welcome back to the channel, ShayaanBroz channel. So today we are going to the Alkhor park, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So there is many animals over there, right? Which animals are there? Lions is there, tiger is there, right? Yeah. So we'll go that place. So it's a vlog. Okay, so we'll show you that place.
Come to Alkhor Park.
That is the Stadium. See that's the Stadium for FIFA World Cup 2022. It's under constructions. The end of the year we can see this Stadium full completed. It's so big. So guys, you can see in my left side the handball stadium. Finally, we reached the Alkhor Park. Today we are in the Alkhor Park, so we'll show you the Alkhor Park. So that is the Alkhor Park. So there are many wild animals and domestic animals. Yeah.
That's super.
Yeah, that's so super, right? So there are many rules for it. There are many rules. See there, so I'll show you. The rules are Tuesday day is for ladies and children only, and the other days, rest of the days are for the family. The ticket real is 5 real, so total is 20 real. We'll go to the counter. And so there's restaurant, mosque is there, wall mural is there, skating area. Skating area is not allowed because it's COVID, right? Children play area is also not allowed. But ski everywhere.
Let me open up your dream. We were ordering some treats. You said it would be alright. I tried to stop you asking why. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head.
Wild animals are in the left side and the domestic animals are in the right side. Now first we'll go to the wild animals to the left side. So there's the wild there's a tiger. Hello, tiger. Hello.
Wow.
This is the tiger. That's black panther.
to reach. I just need to be asleep.
There is the white tiger. It's drinking, and another one is in the water. It is bathing.
Let me open up your dream. We were ordering some treats. You said it would be alright. I tried to stop you asking why. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath was taken. We were about to make it.
Now we are gonna see the tiger. No, the lion. Now we are gonna see the lion. Oh, it
Now the lion, they're going to ice.
is. Yeah, he's saying we are going to see with the ice. Oh, see that? It's walking. This is the African lion, and the ranger brought sandal to the South Africa. That is the king of the jungle. Oh my god, this is cheetah. It's looking to the camera. That is the fast animal in the world. It can only run fast. Yeah, yeah, there's many. So that guy is giving food.
Monkey, you want monkey? Go. You want to see monkey?
We're going to monkey.
Now we are going to the monkey. Yeah, he's saying follow me. What's that?
Who that?
Monkey! This monkey I'm seeing first time in Qatar. So I will show you varieties of monkeys there here, okay? So we will show you that monkey. It is eating the nuts. So much.
One more coming. Monkey.
One baby is there. So we are gonna see the rhinoceros, one-horned rhinoceros. So let's go. Come on. First time I'm seeing these wild animals. When I come first time, I only seeing the domestic animals. I did not saw the wild animals. So this is the rhinoceros. It's so big. Woo! It's eating the grass slowly. The next is bear. What's that?
Bear.
What's the first letter of bear? B.
B? B for one. Giraffe and a kanchora.
Now we're gonna show you the giraffe, the tallest neck animal. Black color.
Yeah, that.
White is also there. Yeah, like this. I'm gonna give the food to the zebra. Wave to the zebra. God, it is scared.
Let me open up your dream.
Did you like the animals? Yes, it's so beautiful, right? Now we are gonna see the domestic animals. Apo, let's go!
Let me open up
We are almost gonna reach the domestic animal. That is the cage for domestic animals. You can see many deers with the branches, without the branches. So I'm going to give this wave to the deer.
Give me. I come to take. Yeah.
Hey, you. Oh, it eaten my leaf. It eaten my leaf. Okay, give this. Here. Horse! It's not eating. Hello. Oh, it's eaten again. is the ostrich. It's the fastest bird.
Hey.
It can run fast, but it cannot fly. It can run fast. See, it's opening its mouth. See, it's have many feathers. It's tall neck like giraffe, but giraffes has the long neck. There are many. So this is the goat.
Let me open up your dream. We were ordering some treats. You said it would be alright. I tried to stop you asking why. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath was taken. We were about to make it.
So you can see many pretty birds flying over in this. So there, I will show you them full freely flying the birds. Okay, so I will show you. There are many birds: peacock, duck, crane. There are many. So we will show you that birds. What's that? Peacock.
Pikachu.
Peacock, peacock, Pikachu.
Pikachu.
This is the bird entrance. So this is the peacock. So, oh, that's the bird near me. So you can see many peacocks here. White peacock is there. I like this peacock. Oh, what is coming to me? Hello. We are going to see the peacock. Oh, birds are coming from somewhere else.
Hey, don't kill me.
Oh. Again? Oh, everything are coming. This is the peacock feather.
Let me open up your dream. We were ordering some treats. You said it would be alright. I tried to stop you asking why. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy.
These are the birds flying here. When I put the bread, they come. They're coming from somewhere else. I don't know. They're flying like this actually. So I got the peacock feather. It's so nice. I'll show you. Appu, kanched kar. See there, in this net wires, there are many birds flying here, and they are taking the rest when they are flying. So there are many pigeons, peacock, duck, hen. I don't know where did the hen come. So you can see many peacocks here. So there is a duck down there, 2 ducks are there eating the grass. is that the relaxation. Wow. So in my backside you can see the park. So there are two different parks, one for the youngest one and one for the eldest, small and big. This park is temporarily closed because of the COVID-19. I'm thinking that after COVID you can play here. So be safe, we have quite big area for kids to play. Oh no, my hand. I'm going.
my hand. Hey, you know it. Here my cutting.
Right, so this is the camel. This is the horse, I think, and that is the camel on that. And this is the horse.
Yes.
These two are horse.
Yes.
They're killing the camel.
This is what about?
That's what's this?
What's this?
What thing is this? I think fish, right? I think fish eyes like this. And this is the parrot. Let me touch the parrot. Wow.
One more.
Yeah. Let me touch this.
One more.
What's this? It's a tree. It's a tree.
Oh, that is tree.
Tree, yeah. Many,
What is this?
like a forest. There are many plants and leaves. Let me touch it. Oh, carrot.
What is this?
So, palm is a mother of palm. So, this is a snake, right? Yeah, snake. It's like this person, like the snake. Let me touch it. Oh, I'm good to It's so big. See the camel? Yeah.
Yeah, cheese.
It's gonna eat me.
Oh, yeah.
And
Come. What is that?
yeah, starfish. Yeah, starfish in the sea. Yeah, starfish in the sea. Wow.
Next.
Okay. Next.
Flower.
No. I think it's dragonfly, right? Yeah, dragonfly. So there's no light there. There's no light. So this is dragonfly. It is going fast. And what is this?
What is this?
From the backside.
Yeah, that's good.
Next is mushroom. Come on. Next is mushroom. Mushroom in the forest or in the garden. Mushroom. And this is doing a frog. The frog is doing.
Yeah, this.
He's the frog. Yeah.
What
What
is?
is?
Coconut.
There's a rabbit.
Yes, rabbit.
Yeah, rabbit. Red rabbit, I think. All are right here. See? Red rabbit. Red rabbit. Next is our national animal. Of course, national animal is oryx. Oryx is this. Yeah. Let me take a look.
Oh, what it is?
It's oryx. Oryx.
Oh,
It's looking me. It's looking me.
Yen.
Hen. He got it first. He got it first. Yeah. It's wrong. So,
Oh, it is Spider-Man.
no, it's not Spider-Man. So, these are the two eyes of the crab. And, oh, it's
Hey.
so it will bite us very hard like this. Bite. And this is falcon, I think. Yeah, falcon, right? Yeah, it's the national bird of the Qatar. Falcon. Right here. See this beak?
What is this?
It is goat. Yeah, goat. See that goat? Go. Hey, come here. And
Oh, this bird.
yeah, bird. I think that is I think this is falcon. I think so. Next one.
Hey,
I know who's this. Shaun the sheep. Yeah. There's a cartoon, Shaun the sheep. My name is there. In this Shaun the sheep. Okay? It's like this. Black sheep, happy and blue. Yes, three best friends. One for the master, one for the little boy who lives down the road. Right? And Octopus. It's a jellyfish. And this is a prawn. 3 prawns are there under the water. Yeah, and again the hen. Yeah, 2 hens. 1 hen there. And this is the squid. Ice is here. Oh my god. Again the crab in the sand. Crab in the sand. So, what's this? Variety? Well, this horse has a hair like boys. Next is we had completed our vlog. So this is a nice park. There are many things over here. There are plants, animals, wild animals. See that? There are the wild animals and there's the domestic animals. So you can come here. This is an interesting park. This is the big park in Qatar. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. I'm so too tired, but wind is coming, breeze is coming, so no problem. You can say, continue.
Please like, share. Put hi. My young giver. My God, my job, my dad, my props, my finished job.
Yeah, he's saying he's like this type.
Please like,
Car,
share,
everything he likes.